Want to use Amex points on Amazon? It's easy but often not optimal. At checkout, you can choose Pay with Points when your eligible Amex is linked. Step 1. Link your eligible Amex card to Amazon under Payment Methods and Settings. Step 2. At checkout, select Pay with Points and choose how many points to apply. Step 3. Review the conversion rate. Amex often values points at about 0.5 cents each. So 3 steps: link card, select Pay with Points, and confirm. Now the catch. Pro: instant and convenient. No transfers, immediate checkout with points. Con: poor value. Amex usually gives about 0.5 cents per point on Amazon. Some items and gift cards may be excluded or receive reduced point value. Better alternative: transfer points to airline or hotel partners for higher value per point. Top transfers include Aeroplan, KrisFlyer, Delta, and major hotel partners, often yielding 1.2 to 2 cents or more. Recommendation: avoid using Amex on Amazon for value. Use it for convenience or transfer for maximum return.